Welcome to part 2 of my website design tutorial on how to add anchor points onto your website. Now in the first part of the video I taught you how to add anchor points to keep your visitors from having the hassle of scrolling down to the article they're looking for. So what we did was we added anchor points by creating anchor point links through these 5 articles, so that when they click the link, it'll take them automatically down to the article they clicked. Now, the part 2 of this video is, now that they clicked to the link they looked for, now we got to help them avoid the hassle of scrolling all the way up to the top of the menu. So what we're going to do is create a return link, so that when they click the return link, it'll take them straight up to the menu. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create an anchor point up here, and it'll take them, we're gonna add the anchor point exactly above the DJ Chizad's blog. So right here, just gonna type the anchor point. Now again, the anchor tag, you want the anchor tag, and you'll type a space name equals sign, and then type in the anchor keyword. So we're gonna we'll do menu top, one word, and you don't need to put a word in there, so you just leave it. You just put the begin tag and end tag right there together, and so when people click return to top, it'll send them straight to the top, just like that. So there we go. And now we're going to add the return to top link. So we'll start off with the freestyle blog article, and what we're going to do is add the URL href, and then add the URL of the page, djchizad.com homepage.html, and then once again, don't forget to add the pound sign and then the name of the keyword, which is menu top. Did that. Make sure you have your end tag, and that should be good. Now let's preview it to make sure it works. Okay, so before we first find out if it works, we're going to go to the page we were looking for, Freestyle Browse. It's going to take us to the anchor point, and we're going to go all the way down. We're going to read it. Okay, we're done. Now look at the return to top. We're going to click on it, make sure it goes to the top where the table of contents are, and right there we go. It takes us to right here at DJ Chizad's blog, where the anchor point was. And we're going to do that for everything else. So we're going to go down. We're just going to copy and paste this URL link. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to go after Tim. Going to click it, and we're just going to paste it right here. Click that, save it, and we're going to go down to, click it right, finding a good place to put it. We'll put it right here. That, there we go, and then we'll go to another one. Paste it right here. And so each blog article will have a return to top link. And then we'll do the last one for blackjack. And they all have the same anchor point, menu top. Make sure the wording's correct, because if you click it and it has the wrong, you have a caps on, you have a capital, if you have it capitalized or bold, all caps, it's not going to work. So I'm going to put it right here. It doesn't matter where you place it, but what's most important is you have the correct URL with the anchor point after the HTML. So gotta do that, and we're gonna. Alright, so we got it for each one. So there you go. So not only you have an anchor point that'll take the visitor to the specific blog post or article, they can now, after they read it, they can go straight to the top without having the hassle of scrolling all the way up. So they can go, it'll take them straight to the source. So that is the second part of the anchor point how-to video. If you are interested in making a website or need advice on making a website or need some consulting, please come to my page at cbawebdesign.com, and we'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot.